Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be asking for your advice for a change. So I've been using the Worktall boots now for over a year and I really like using them because I don't have to have a scaffold with me all the time. But my biggest issue with the Worktall boots is not the boots themselves, it's my height. So I am 5'8", 5'9"-ish and it gives me an extra foot. And basically this doesn't give me the opportunity to use them as much as I would like to. So now I'm looking to getting myself a pair of stilts. Now I've always been a bit apprehensive about using stilts. Now one of my main concerns was my ankles. And I've got quite weak ankles from when I was younger. And basically it's always put me off using them. But the more I've been using my Worktall boots, the more the pros are outweighing the cons. And I'm starting to think now that I do really need to invest in a good set of stilts. So this is where I'm going to be asking you for your advice. Obviously, there's a few different brands out there and I have not looked into stilts before. I've done a bit of research and I've seen some basic ones on Amazon and on a couple of the Plasterers websites. I want to get some feedback from you guys. I really want to get into using stilts just to make my life a lot easier. Using the Worktall boots are brilliant, but the problem I have is that they won't work for me most of the time just because I'm that little bit too small to use them. So I'm thinking of moving to stilts. Now, I've got the scaffold in, so that's not an issue for me, but there is always a risk when you're bringing scaffolding into somebody's house. The first risk you've got is that you might catch a door, you might catch a wall, and you might do some damage. The second part is that to pick up your scaffolding from your lockup and to ferry it to where you want to go, and then you've got to get it into the room. These are all processes that take a long time to do. And it's what I've always done, but with trying to make life a bit easier, this is why I'm now looking into using some stilts. And this is why I really want some advice from you guys. So if you've got any advice for me, please let me know. I'll leave a link below for the Worktall boots because if you are taller than me, which most people are, I think these would be great for you. And it would be a lot cheaper option to get these than to get some stilts. But for me, I need that little bit of extra height. Right, thank you very much guys for watching this video. I do drop videos every Tuesday on most aspects of plastering. If you've got any questions, leave them below, or if you've got some advice for me. Right guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I drop them every Tuesday and I will see you on the next video. Also, there's some videos here and here that you can click on if you want to see some other ones, but otherwise, see you on the next video. Bye guys.